The 2015 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, six-passenger truck just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a front bench seat, automatic temperature control, a bed liner, and remote keyless entry. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing a comprehensive certification process, including a rigorous 117-point inspection. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.